I have an interest in sailing, and a number of sailing websites I visited I noticed were built by Brilliant Digital. So when it came around to wanting to build my own website or rebuild my website, I thought that was a good place to start. I joined the company in November 2016. There was a website here. I think typical of a lot of business websites, it gets built and then nothing really happens to it after that. There definitely was no marketing going on whatsoever. And I think the website, whilst it had a lot of information, was very difficult to navigate and difficult to use. I spoke with Deb first, and she came out to see me, and we danced around for a little bit because it's a process, and probably took me 3 or 4 or 5 months to get around to making a hard decision about, yep, we're going to do this, and it's something I haven't regretted. I have used this word before, but I think it's fair to say that the website has been transformational for our business. I believe that we have much more clarity, much more consistency in what we do now, and that's been driven by a change in our own business philosophy, which is now reflected in the website. I think our marketing is very clear about the sort of work we want to do, the sort of customers that we're looking for, and a website's not a static thing, and I think people need to understand that. You've got to keep working at it all the time, you've got to keep improving it all the time, you've got to keep adding to it all the time, and certainly Brilliant has given me the resources to do that, and we work all the time. We do our newsletters, we're changing our message slightly and refining our message all the time, but the marketing has been top notch. With our old website, we would maybe get 2 or 3 inquiries a month. With the new one, 8 or 10 or 12 a week is very common, very common. We're on track this year for 30% growth, and I would say to you, a reasonable chunk of that is absolutely from the website. So it has attracted business to us, but it also gives us a very, as I said to you before, gives us a very clear message. So if I'm out there marketing and I'm out there talking to people, I'll say, please go and look at our website. There's a video on the point we've just discussed, or please go and visit our website. You'll be able to see this, this, and this. And it's a terrific tool to have. I'm very confident in our website. I'm happy to promote it all the time. One of the other reasons that I decided to go with Brilliant on this website concept was simply because I had the opportunity to either hire a sales engineer or use the website as my primary marketing tool. And I really went for the website for a couple of reasons. One is the website is there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And secondly, because it markets around the world for me. We're a small company, but we're an international business. We have a lot of customers in the US and Europe and growing, and it's very useful to be able to have that resource working for me all the time. So really, to me, it was a no-brainer to have the website working that way, and it's proven its mettle time and time and time and time again. We use a lot of keywords, we spend a lot of time and effort marketing the business, we do a lot of SEO work, and that's paying dividends because we do get very good inquiry, and the inquiry is really based around our core competencies, and our SEO work is based around that too, and it's driving the sort of work that we want to our company.